Good morning, children. Now this is ninth class social studies. In the previous video also I explained about the first lesson about the earth, how the origin of the earth, how the universe. Okay, children. Next to how it began, mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus, how they form, etc. Next, children. Interior of the earth, mantle, crust, outer core, inner core, etc. Okay, children. Upon the earth, we draw some imaginary lines. Why we draw some imaginary lines? Because these lines are very useful to locate a exact place or country in the world. Okay, children. So, what are the imaginary lines? Two types of imaginary lines are there, children. First one is latitude, second one is longitude. Now, how many latitudes are there? First to 0 degree latitude. So, the 0 degree latitude is called equator. This is the biggest one, children, among the latitudes. So, these are the horizontal ones. 0 degree latitude is called equator. From equator to 90 degree in north, this is northern hemisphere. I wrote here northern hemisphere, children. In northern hemisphere, how many latitudes are there? So if you calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, 90 latitudes are there, children. Among these 90 latitudes in northern hemisphere, two are very important. What are the two here? The first one is 23.5 degree. This is called Tropic of Capricorn, children. What it is? Tropic of Capricorn. Next to children, sorry. So this is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn, children. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn. Now look at, children, this is Tropic of Capricorn. This is Tropic of Cancer. Okay, now children, another important one is in the northern hemisphere, 66 and a half degree of the latitude. It is called Arctic Circle. What it is called? Arctic Circle. So these all latitudes are high latitudes. Okay, what are that? High latitudes. So this is 90 degree. Now here below 0 degree latitude to 90 in this place, this is called southern hemisphere. What it is called? Southern hemisphere. Okay. So in that southern hemisphere also two are important one. 23.5 degree. This is Tropic of Capricorn. This is 66.5 degree Antarctic Circle. What is Antarctic Circle? This one is South Pole, 90 degree South Pole. This is North Pole, 90 degree. Okay, now children, this is the information about latitudes. So these latitudes, and also we have the imaginary lines horizontally. These are vertical lines. These are vertical lines. These lines also known as meridians. What it is called? Meridians. Now children, once look at, if you take this one is a 0 degree longitude. Okay, 0 degree longitude. So this is North Pole, this is South Pole, children. So this is what, children? This is equator, children. This is Tropic of Cancer, children. This is Tropic of Capricorn, children. Okay, now look at, this is Arctic Circle, this is Antarctic Circle, children. Now look at here, children. How many longitudes are there, children? How many longitudes are there? From here to here, this area is called West. What it is? Western Hemisphere. What it is, children? Western Hemisphere. Next to from here to here, this area is called Eastern Hemisphere. Eastern Hemisphere. Eastern Hemisphere. So in that Western Hemisphere, 180 longitudes are there, children. How many? 180 longitudes are there. In that Eastern Hemisphere also, 180 longitudes are there, children. So 180 plus 180, how many, children? 180 plus 180, 360 longitudes are there, children. Upon the globe, how many longitudes are there? 360 longitudes are there, children. Now look at, children. This is longitude. This is longitude. Okay. This is equator. This is Tropic of Capricorn. So when it is passing through like this, so here this place is called grid, children. What it is? This place is called grid. Grid. So scientists are the sailors. They will exactly find, with the help of latitudes and longitudes, the exact place of any country, any area in the world, children. So that is the main use of this one, children. Next to, children, how about these are called meridians? What it is? Meridian. Now from one latitude to another latitude. So the 0-degree latitude passing through London, children. London is the capital of England. We know already England. So from London they draw. So this is 0-degree. From 0-degree to these are 180 and these are 180 longitude, children. So the sun rays reaching from one longitude to another longitude, it will take 4 minutes of time, children. How many? 4 minutes of time. Okay. So the 4 minutes of time. Every 50 longitudes are called one zone. Every 50 longitudes are called one zone, children. Now look at, children. From one longitude to another longitude, the reaching time is 4 minutes. Okay. One zone means 15 longitudes. Now listen, children. 15 into 4 minutes. How many? 60 minutes. 60 minutes what? 1 hour. That means the time reaching from one zone to another zone, it will take 1 hour time. Or one time zone to one longitude to another longitude, it will take 4 minutes of time. 4 into 16 longitudes. 15 longitudes. 15 means one time zone. Okay, children, don't confuse. Now 60 minutes. 60 minutes what? 1 hour. So the total how many longitudes are there? 360. 360. Okay, children. Now 360. That means 24 time zones are there in the world, children. How many time zones are there? 24 time zones. 24 time zones are there in the world. Now, is it clear? Now, children, what about our India position? So now look at, in our country India, how many longitudes are passing? Almost, if you calculate from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, 30 longitudes are passing, children. How many longitudes are passing? 30 longitudes are passing. Okay, that means 2 time zones are there in our country. How many? 2 time zones are there. From Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, how many longitudes are passing? 30 longitudes. 30 longitudes means every 50 longitudes one time zone. So that means 2 time zones are there. But now listen. So the confusion will arise. So that is why our Indian geologists and scientists, they took one longitude as a standard meridian type. That is 82.5 degree east longitude. What it is? 82.5 degree east longitude. So it is called Indian Standard Meridian Time, IST. What it is, children? IST. So the time difference from Greenwich 0 degree longitude to India IST 5.5 hours, children. 5.5 hours ahead. Look at, children. So if you draw our India map upon the globe, it may be here, children. It may be here. So that is why from here to here, how many latitudes are passing? You look at after this lesson, you take one across and you observe how many longitudes are passing, etc. Then you can find. Okay, children. So the time difference is 5.5 hours ahead from Greenwich 0 degree latitude to our Indian Standard Meridian Time 82.5 degree east longitude. That means what, children? If the time is here London 12 p.m. in our country the time is 5:30 p.m. evening. Why? Because we will add that 5.5 hours. So if you go from, this is east side, if you go from here to here, this direction, you will add the time. If you go westward, you will subtract the time, children. You will subtract the time. So how many zones you are reaching, you will subtract each zone. Each zone means 1 hour time, you will subtract. If you travel from here to eastward, you will add from each zone 1 hour time, children. Okay, children. So that is about longitudes and latitudes. So now it is called EGA, East Gain Add. Next to LS, West Lost Subtract. Okay, children. Now listen, children. 0 degree longitude, opposite one is 180 degree anti-meridian. What it is? 180 degree anti-meridian. Why? Because the earth is like this, like a ball. When it is moving like this, the sun rays fall upon here. This is daytime. Now at the same time, the sun rays may not go here upon this place. So that is why it is called dark side or night time. Okay, children. So again, it is always moving like this. When it is moving like this, the earth, the sun rays fall upon the exact place. Okay. So that is why it is happening day and night, etc. Now I want to show you, children, in your textbook. You come to the page number 10, children. You come to the page number 10. Now this is longitudes. Look at the prime meridian 0 degree. So the opposite to 180 degree is there, children. Look, this one 180 means where it is. So this is 0 degree, children. Now if you go opposite direction, this is 180. Okay. Next to 10, 15, 30, 45, 90, like this. So total how many, children? I said 360 longitudes. Okay. Now, children, after lesson, with the help of these latitudes and longitudes, you identify how many time zones are there in USA, Australia, etc. Okay, children. For example, we title IST as our Indian Standard Meridian Time. Pakistan, they also title by their name. Likewise. Now look at, children. So this is our world map. Look, the world time zones. World time zones. Once you observe this, continents first, Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, South America, North America, here Antarctica, etc. Now, how many time zones are there? One should observe. Okay, so now look at, I said 82.5 degrees longitude passing through our country, children. So the time difference is 5.5. Now I said about London, 0 degree longitude. Look at, children, 0 degree longitude means here. This is England, children, passing through London. So if you go eastward, you will add for each time zone 1 hour time. If you go westward, you will subtract for each time zone 1 hour time. Subtract. Okay. So that is about your time zones, children. You will calculate and you will observe, find out in this lesson. Thank you, children.